Civilizations do not fail suddenly. They fail because they delay. Every system has a window where intervention still works. For Earth, that window is measured in decades, not centuries. 10 years is not arbitrary. It is the maximum time before feedback loops dominate outcomes. After that, restoration becomes containment. Containment becomes collapse management. This mandate is not political. It is physical. Atmospheric inertia is real. Ecosystem recovery has limits. Soil regeneration has thresholds. Once crossed, they do not reverse on human timelines. 10 years is the window where coordinated action still compounds positively. After that, each year costs more and delivers less. This is why gradualism fails. Small symbolic actions cannot outrun exponential damage. Only synchronized planet-scale deployment works. The 10-year mandate is not about urgency theater. It is about efficiency. Front-loading effort reduces total cost. Delays multiply expense. This is true for carbon. It is true for water. It is true for food systems. And it is true for civilization. History shows this pattern repeatedly. When societies act early, they stabilize. When they hesitate, they fragment. This is not a call for sacrifice. It is a call for precision. The technology exists, the land exists. The labor exists, the capital exists. What has been missing is alignment. 10 years is enough if action is coordinated. 10 years is not enough if debate continues. This is not a warning, it is a schedule.